Okay, real talk. Who else is totally over wasting time on Google? You know the drill. You type in a simple question and suddenly you are scrolling through a million links, clicking on shady websites and feel like you need a PhD just to find a straight answers. Is that worse, right? But guess what? I just discovered this amazing AI tool that's about to blow your mind. It's called Perplexity AI. And it's basically like having your own personal research assistant that does all the hard work for you. No more endless scrolling, no more information overload, just instant answers with sources you can actually trust. And get this, they have a free version that's packed with awesome features. In this video, we're gonna dive headfirst into the free plan, explore all the cool stuff it can do, and then I'm gonna whip out my credit card and upgrade to the pro version. Why? Because I want to know if those extra features are really worth the hype. Is it a game changer or just another fancy gimmick? Let's find out together. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the verdict, and don't forget to smash that like button if you're excited as I am. Let's get this AI party started. Alright, so here we are on the Perplexity AI homepage. First impression, I'm digging the clean modern vibe. It's a super straightforward, which I love. And check out this tagline, where the knowledge begins. Oh, that's a deep, right? But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Now, this is where the magic happens. You can type any questions you have just like a regular search engine, but here's where things get interesting. Perplexity doesn't just give you a list of links, it actually answers your questions and then provides source to back it up. Pretty cool. Let me type something. Okay, now I'm going to type something. Let's see, I'm going to ask who is the president of Sri Lanka. So okay, so the first thing they want us to know is that Perplexity AI is all about giving you accurate and correct answers, not just some random text, right? So Perplexity pulls from actual sources, whether it's a academic research, news sites, or even Reddit threads. I mean, they are really flexing the whole. Here's the source, so you can trust us, like thing. So, which I think is pretty cool. No fake news here. All right, now we are on the results page in Perplexity AI, and let me show you what makes this tool so unique and honestly pretty awesome. So here's my question. Who is the president of Sri Lanka at the top? Perplexity clearly shows the questions you have asked, which is great for keeping things organized, especially when you are asking multiple questions. Now check this out. Right underneath we have got those source that Perplexity used to pull these answers together. These are actual legit sources like Wikipedia, news article, even YouTube videos. What's so cool is you can click on any of these, go directly to the source if you want to fact check or get more details. For example, here's an article from AP News, and here's another one from BBC Transparency. 10 out of 10, right? Now here's the magic. This is the actual answer Perplexity generated. It's not just a single sentence, it's a detailed explanation. For example, it tells me that Anura Kumara Disanayaka is the current president of Sri Lanka, that he's been in the office since September 23rd, 2020, and it even highlights how he won the election with major shift in political dynamics. I didn't ask any of those questions. I just asked who is the president of Sri Lanka, but it gave me all this quick summary. It gives the extra context, like the percentage of votes he received, 42 0.31%, and what is administration plans to focus on, like addressing Sri Lanka's ongoing economic crisis. I mean, this isn't just a quick answer. It's like having a research assistant summarize everything for you. And now here's where the perplexity gets even cooler. See the section label related. It's suggesting follow-up questions you might want to ask, like what are Anuru Kumara Disanayaka's key policies, or how did the 2024 president election unfold. So if you're the kind of person who goes down rabbit holes like me, this feature is a lifesaver. Now over here on the right, we have got some extra tools that make Perplexity AI even more powerful. The first up, you can search for images related to your question. So if you are a visual person or need pictures for project, this is super handy. Next we have got the video search options. Click this and you'll find videos that dive deeper into your topic. Great if you prefer learning by watching. Next, if you're on the pro plan, you can even use AI to generate custom images. Imagine needing a visual for presentation. Boom! Perplexity has you covered. I'm going to buy the Pro in a bit, so we're going to check those options. What are the features you have? So stay tuned. Let's go all the free version, and then I'll buy the Pro version, and we'll compare if it's good or not. Okay, now underneath the answers in here, you can see you can share this response directly with someone, or click rewrite to ask Perplexity to rephrase it if you want a different style or tone. Same one in the top right section. If you click share, you can share with a person with privately, or get a shareable link, or you can share with the social media platforms. So that's what the results page looks like in Perplexity AI. It's not just about getting answers, it's about getting answers you can trust with the tools that make it easy to explore even further. Now let's dive into some advanced features to see just how far this AI can take us. Okay, let's find out what's these left side tabs mean. Now let's go click this discover. Let's go home. So once you click home, it will refresh and you can type again. Let's come back to this pro section in a bit. Okay, so let's go to the discover thing and see what's inside. Now in here, the discover is like a curated feed of trending topics and ideas. It's a perfect for staying updated on what's happening in the various fields, or discovering topics you didn't know you wanted to explore. So key features in here, topics are categorized areas by tech, science, finance, arts, culture, and sports. You can see in the top. You can customize your feeds based on your interest. Click into any topic to get detailed AI generated insights. You go tech, science, finance, art, culture, sports, entertainment. So it's a bunch of stuff it will give you. Now let's go to space. Okay, so you cannot see anything unless you sign in. So I'm going to sign in with the Google, and after that I'm going to show you. Okay, able to sign in. Now let's jump into the spaces we was discussing. These sections allow you to create and manage personalized spaces for specific tasks. You can see in here some examples. You'll find pre-built examples that demonstrate how spaces on can be used. The art of war review shows how a document can be summarized and analyzed. Brainstorm buddy, space for generating ideas collaboratively. Questions and cloud, example of interactive Q&A in shared knowledge base. If you click this, you can go to that one. So these examples are there to give you a feel for how to use space effectively. So these are the examples. Okay, let's jump into library. So the library is useful, keeps all your search and queries organized in one place, allows you to expand on previous questions or dig deeper without starting from scratch. perfect for saving work for future reference or ongoing project. Let's jump into home, and I'm going to show you something about the Pro button. So the Pro button under the search in Perplexity AI enables advanced features that are only available to users with the Pro plan. When you toggle this button on, the AI utilize enhanced capabilities for your search, such as I can give you three options. The first one, when you toggle to the Pro version, advanced AI models, so you can access to more powerful models like GPT-4 or Cloudy. The second one, deep analysis, provides more detailed responses and enhanced reasoning capabilities. Third one is additional features, may include better file uploads and advanced query tools. So you can see when you hover your mouse, there's only 3 left. So in the free version, you have only 3 search for Pro. Now when I click this, so you can see it goes blue. Now how to demonstrate? So let's use the same example, who is the president of Sri Lanka, to show the difference between standard search and Pro search. Okay, let's type the same questions we asked. Who is the president of, let's wait for the results. You can see Pro search. Nice, let's wait till the answer's done. Very quick. Alright, now let's check out the Pro results in Perplexity AI. I turn on the Pro mode for the same questions. Who is the president of Sri Lanka? And let me show you the difference. It's pretty impressive. First of all, notice this section on the top. Pro mode breaks the query into detailed subcategories like search for the current president of Sri Lanka and finalize and select the information. This means Pro mode is refining and verifying the answers with additional precision. It's not just throwing something together, it's doing extra homework for you. Look at the sources. It's pulling information from top tier references like PBS, BBC and Human Rights Watch. These are high quality credible sources that give you more well-rounded and accurate perspective. With Pro mode, you are not just getting 1 or 2 links, you are getting comprehensive list of trusted resources. Now let's talk about the answers itself. So Pro mode gives a deeper dive into the topic. It doesn't just tell us that Anuru Kumara Dissanayake is the president. It goes further by explaining his political background, his party's 2/3 majority win, and even the number of seats his party secured in parliament, 159 out of 220. It also ties this into Sri Lanka's economic challenges, mentioning how the country declared bankruptcy in 2022 and what his administration is prioritizing to address these issues. This is the next level context you don't get in a regular search, which we did recently, and we didn't get those kind of information. Now we have some follow-up questions. So what challenge, you can see the Pro mode doesn't stop there, so it even suggests you follow-up questions to help you dive deep into the topic. For example, you can see what challenges does he face leading the Sri Lankan out of economic crisis. How did the party manage to win a 2/3 majority? These follow-ups are perfect if you are doing research or just want to learn more. So here's why I think Pro mode is game changer. It's though you are getting richer answers with more context. The sources are legit, no sketchy reference here. It encourages exploration. The follow-up questions guide you learn more without having to think of what to ask next. So if you're doing a research, working on project, or just want the most accurate and detailed answers, Pro mode is absolutely worth it. Plus, with the current deal, it's a super affordable. Current deal is $4.99 or something like that. Let me check that. Okay, now if you click this generate images, you can see you cannot generate images because you need to have a subscription. It's not free like The free is only 3 search per day, as you can see. So let me show you the subscription options and what you get with each. And just so you know, this is not sponsored. I'm purchasing the pro plan with my own money because I want to give you an honest review and help you decide if it's worth it for you or not, right? Let's talk about free plan. This is perfect if you just want to test the waters or only need basic features you get. So basic features, unlimited quick searches, basically your day-to-day stuff, 3 pro searches per day, which is great for small tasks requiring the little extra power, and the standard AI model optimized for speed and quality, so you'll still get the decent results. And of course, you can create a profile to personalize your experience. Not bad for something that's completely free, right? Now, here's where things get exciting. The pro plan, it usually $20 a month, but now, right now, there's a Black Friday deal for just $4.99. I'm pretty sure when you're watching this, it's not Black Friday at all, but keep checking, it will go down. So honestly, that's less than your morning coffee. So what do you get for the upgrade? So unlimited pro searches, you are no longer limited to just 3 a day. Access 300 pro search daily, basically endless possibilities. You can choose from advanced AI models like GPT-4, Cloud 3, and Llama 3.1 for smarter, deeper results. Unlimited file uploads, tools to visualize answers using Playground AI, DALL-E, and more. And this tool, you even get $5 in API credits monthly if you're into developing or experimenting with AI tools. That's a good one. Okay, I'm going to purchase now. I'm going to continue with the pro. Just direct me to the purchasing site. You can see you can purchase per whole year and you will get a discount. So if you click this, you get a 67 a month. But if you go monthly, it will cost $20 per month. Because I need only 1 month for you guys to show this everything, and $4.99, that's a good deal for me. So I'm going to purchase this right now. I'm not going to show you everything on my personal credit card and stuff. So once I purchase this, I'm going to jump in back. I'm going to show you. Okay guys, I just purchased and you can see the interface similar. I don't see any different. The only difference is I can see pro button in here is blue. It says pro, and you can see added extension. So nothing else. Now let's do some key settings. Identify the key settings. If you go in here, this setting icon, if you click this one, I'm going to focus on this area. You can see Perplexity Pro. That's the new settings we have. First, check out the pro includes Cloud 3.5. So if you go in here, we can see Cloud is 3.5 Sonnet and GPT 4.0 and Sona. These advanced AI models mean you are getting smarter, faster, and deeper insight. If you are doing serious research or creative work, this is a game changer, believe me. So next up, image generation in here. So you can choose model like Flux One, which are designed to help you visualize ideas and create images for your project. Imaging asking for a visual representation of a concept, and you will get it. I don't like the Playground 3, but I like DALL-E 3 and Flux EX1. This is not about image. If you're really interested about generating images, this is not the tool. Just believe me, this is not the tool. So this is include in all for research purposes and generate image for your project. Not that you really want to have 3D images and those kind of images. Not like that. I'm going to show you in a bit. I'm going to demonstration one. So the other thing, as a pro user, you will get access to the pro Discord community where you can share tips, learn from others, and ask questions. It's like a VIP launch of AI enthusiast. After that, we have pro support, where you'll get a direct help if you run into any issues or need assistance. There's a nice touch, especially for advanced users. So there's a referral. Cool, you can refer your friends or Perplexity Pro and earn rewards. So if you love what you see, then you can spread the word and make it worth your while. On the system side, you will get full control of your account. You can see whether you are sign in, sign out from all the devices, or even delete your account if you decide this isn't for you. It's great to see that they make it easy to manage your data. Now, okay, I'm going to do some testing with image. Focus on the image generation. So that's why I'm telling you, that's you cannot generate image like this. So now think like, okay, I'm going to say generate an image, and an image samurai teacher visiting a school. Okay, sorry, my spelling mistakes. School. So if you type enter, it's not going to generate an image. I know this is like a title, but it's not going to generate an image. It's searching all the results and give you feedback, I mean give you answers. So see, this is all. The first priority is research and give you everything, not like focusing on the generating image. While you do that, it will generate images. Now think that if you go home again, if you go say, now it's ICT summarize my channel, so it will give you pictures. See, this is my pictures I use on my YouTube channel. It will generate like that. Now, as I told you, it's not going to generate whatever the inquiry you ask. In here, once you search who is IT Samurai teacher or generate IT Samurai teacher, it's not going to generate. In here, once you get the feedback answers, then you can do generate image. So then it will generate image for you. So now for the project that you get this stuff and convert to a Word document, then you need an image. Then you click this generate image. Look at these images. It sucks. So playground, you can see it's generated from the playground. Playground sucks. Now I'm going to change this. So image generation sucks. Playground 3. So you have options. You have doll 3 and plus. So let's go to doll 3. What is our general teacher? I'm going to do another one. So now it's going to generate from the doll E3 tool. Let's see how long it will take. So what happens is it will connect to the doll E3 and it will generate. So at least you get a good picture with the doll E3. So I like this tool. You can generate from here. So now you can grab this and export to the document with all these answers. So you can make a better project for you. I mean, if you're doing a project, this is good. Now, as I told you, it's not going to like generate me a IT Samurai teacher. An IT Samurai teacher is not going to generate images. So if you think about generating images, this tool is not for you. Okay, see, everything is coming on my web, my YouTube images. It's not going to create a new one. It's everything is in the internet. From here, once you have all this stuff, see who is the Samurai teacher, blah blah, everything is there, and then you can generate an image. So this is good for me. If you purchase this $20, now put the $4.99 away because it's Black Friday, it's not coming again. So every month you need to pay $20 plus tax, right? For me, if you're paying for ChatGPT, is $20. ChatGPT also have all the options, but the difference is like ChatGPT, Gemini, everything like same price range. This is also same price range. This one give you more more in detail for the project. So it's depend on who you are, right? If you're a graphic designer, or you're a gamer, or you want images, this is not for you. This is something you want to do research about internet, and this will give you a lot of stuff, right, as I show you. So this is good for you. And it's 20 bucks, the same price you pay for ChatGPT and Gemini, but in here you will get options to change your AI model to different AI models, so you can test it out. Probably I'm not going to test all things, but it's up to you. You test it out and see how it differs. Maybe you can pay for 1 month and do your own research, go with all these options and see what kind of information you can grab. And also, I'm not looking at the image generation model. This is just something you can generate for your project. Other than that, you is not like, I don't like the image generation feature in here. Okay, that's all. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. If you have any questions, please put in the description field. I'm sorry, put into the comments. I will ask any questions, and tell me which tool you want to test it out. I will do it, because I have a list of tools to go like a depth review all these tools, so I can give you feedback, and you can decide if this tool's right for you. I pay my own money to research this tool, and so you can get some idea. I will put the links on my description field, so you can go to that sites, and if you want to do the free version, or you can get the paid version. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.